How much should you actually spend on a tailgate light bar? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1. Nightlight TR-04 Tailgate Bar. The Nightlight TR-04 Tailgate Light Bar immediately caught my eye with its impressive 504 LEDs and the price of $38.69. If you want a super bright, full-function light strip for your truck, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With its triple row design, this bar is 300% brighter than standard lights. You get 6 functions including dark red running lights, bright red brake lights, white reverse lights, and even sequential amber turn signals. Plus, installation is a breeze. Just peel, stick, and plug in. It's also tough enough to handle any weather, with a lifespan of over 30,000 hours. Now, some people complained about the brightness not being strong enough during the day. Here's the thing though, if you're driving at night, this bar shines beautifully. If you're mainly in bright daylight, that might be a deal breaker for you. This is perfect for you if you want visibility and safety in all conditions. Skip this one if you're looking for something that shines brightly in direct sunlight. Product number 2. Nightlight 60-inch LED light strip. Next up is another Nightlight option, the 60-inch LED light strip priced at just $16.18. What stood out to me was its incredible brightness with 108 LEDs that shine 35% brighter than standard options. If you want a budget-friendly choice that doesn't skimp on visibility, this one's worth considering. With its IP67 waterproof rating, you don't have to worry about rain ruining your lights. The adhesive is strong enough that no drilling is required for installation, making it user-friendly. Plus, it's versatile enough to be used in various setups, from trucks to RVs. It's sold over 6,500 times with a solid rating of 4.2 stars, showing that many users are satisfied. However, a few users have mentioned the adhesive failing over time. Honestly, this can happen with any adhesive light bar. Just make sure to clean the surface well before installation to avoid this issue. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, easy-to-install light that won't break the bank. Skip this one if you need something that can withstand extreme environments. Product number 3. Nampoku Tailgate Light Bar. Moving on, we have a Nampoku Tailgate Light Bar at $22.99. It's 60 inches long and boasts a triple row design with 432 LED chips, which makes it 300% brighter than single or double row options. If safety is your top priority, this might be right up your alley. It offers full functionality with red lights for running, brake lights, amber for turn signals, and white for reversing. What's really cool is that it features an emergency strobe light too. It's also waterproof and has a strong adhesive for installation, which means it can handle tough weather. Some users reported that it can only convey one message at a time. Like when you're braking, the turn signals will stop working. Personally, I didn't find this a deal breaker since it's designed to prevent confusion on the road. This is perfect for you if you want a bright, functional light bar that keeps you safe. Skip this one if you want more advanced features like sequential signaling. Product number 4. Amexmart LED Tailgate Light Bar. Next, we have the Amexmart 60-inch LED Tailgate Light Bar for $37.99. This one caught my attention due to its 5 functions, including a non-stop flashing brake light feature. If you want maximum visibility during your stops, this is a solid choice. Made with 432 LED diodes, this light bar ensures you will never go unnoticed. It's also IP68 waterproof, meaning it's built to withstand all weather conditions. Installation is a breeze thanks to its plug-and-play design, and it fits any vehicle with a 60-inch tailgate. However, there's a caveat. Some users have mentioned issues with it not working properly when connected to a 7-pin connector without an adapter. I'll be real with you. If you don't have the right connections, it could be a hassle. This is perfect for you if you want a bright, durable light bar that's easy to install. Skip this one if you're not comfortable with a bit of wiring. Product number 5. OPT7 Redline Tailgate Light Bar. Finally, let's discuss the OPT7 Redline 60-inch Tailgate Light Bar, which comes in at $152.99. This one is a premium option, and it's clear why. It features a sleek design with 1,200 alpha single-core LEDs to ensure maximum visibility. If you're serious about lighting your truck, this one's worth considering. It has a waterproof body that enhances both style and safety, visible from up to 30 feet. Plus, it features sequential signals which provide a modern look on the road. Installation is straightforward with a plug-and-play option, although it may require a hardwire kit for newer models. Some users found the price a bit steep compared to others on the list. Here's the thing. If you want top-notch visibility and style, the investment might just be worth it. This is perfect for you if you want the best of the best in tailgate lighting. Skip this one if you're looking for something more budget-friendly. So there you have it. We cover the Nightlight TR04 for its brightness, the budget-friendly Nightlight strip, the functional NAM Polka bar, the MX Smart for visibility, and the OPT7 Redline for premium style. Each has its strengths, so pick the one that fits your needs best.